All right, all right, all right. What's up, guys? All right, all right, all right. What's up, guys? Hope y'all had a good day of trading. No, no, no. All right, all right, all right. What's up, guys? Hope y'all had a good day of trading. I actually had a decent day. I didn't get into any trades or any new trades. I'm still in some Tesla calls right now, and just holding those, waiting for this bounce to hit, which we kind of got a bounce today. At our first green day after like three consecutive red days. So, oh, was definitely good to see a green day today, even though it wasn't that impressive, but it was a green day. We were up 0.55% today on Tesla. The market was down today, so we definitely outperformed the market, which is more like Tesla. Was happy to see that we did that. And I do want to point out just a couple things. One thing is that y'all see this macro trend line, blue macro trend line that I've had drawn out for quite some time. If you've been following along with me, and so basically what we have is, if you look at the story of this thing, we broke out. We were definitely trying to create a bullish reaction here, right in this little congested area here. We broke out. That's when I think people were getting very hopeful to see, a continuation up. We never got the retest. We broke out. So then finally we got the retest, and then people were definitely thinking that, all right, this is definitely the area where we take off and we bounce and we go up from there. And it just didn't happen, guys. We just kind of tried and then we just fell, right? All the way to where we are today, back into this, or not back into, but in this zone from a 154 to, somewhere in the 150 area, give or take, right? And so what is good to see is that we bounced out of the zone today, this demand zone. So tomorrow is a good possibility for us to see continuation. A good possibility, right? But I will say Tesla has just been so weak that it's been very difficult to get any continuations, over the past, couple weeks, right? So the next thing I want to point out is kind of like the price action that happened today. We got pretty much consolidation going this whole day. We bounced up nicely at the beginning of the market, and then we just consolidated. And I drew this little channel here. It's like a downward channel. We had a falling wedge, and then or we were in a falling wedge the past few days, and now today we have this little downward channel, which definitely has like a bullish outcome. So it gives me a little bit more hope that tomorrow we possibly could see a continuation. So if we do see the continuation, I really don't know how high we go. I mean, we could very well go back up and get this cross here between this 8 EMA and 45 EMA. What I will say is good. We kind of did reclaim this 8 EMA. If you see, all of our candles pretty much are on top of this 8 EMA, which means that we definitely want to try to make that move up. But we'll see if we can hold that. I don't know. We'll see. And so yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for analysis. Pretty straightforward, nothing crazy. Like I said, it pretty much just consolidated all day, pretty much. And so what I do want to talk about just real quick before I get off. So I just want to kind of give you some encouragement, because I know this is not the easiest skill to learn, right? This is not that, right? It's not the easiest skill. Trading is definitely hard. If you are using your own money, you're talking about a lot of blown accounts. I've blown accounts. But one thing, I can say is I've seen the possibilities. I can't turn away from something so powerful like this. Like, this skill is literally life-changing. Like, this skill, it can literally, at least financially, from a financial standpoint, can change your life. All you have to do is learn this skill and get really, really good at it. Now that's the part that is that's hard. But if it was easy, everyone would do it, right? If this was really that easy, everyone would be trading, right? And so we know the statistic of 95% of traders fail, right? We know that statistic, and I think the 95% that failed, they failed because they quit. the 5% that are still trading and that are profitable and successful, consistently, making money, they are the 5% because they didn't quit. So I just want to tell you guys, don't quit. And I'm not talking from a place of like, hey, I made it. I'm making $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a day, or $15,000, $30,000 a day. Like some of these guys, like I'm not even coming from that place. I'm not there. I myself am still trying to find my consistency. I've had great days, right? I think the most I've made in a day has been about 6,000 and something dollars, right? But then I've also, lost, just as much as that, So it's like I'm still trying to figure out how to get my, risk management in place, how to get the proper discipline in place, and that's kind of where I'm at right now. But I tell you guys, I'm not going to quit. I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to stop. I see myself getting better at technical analysis. I see myself getting better at understanding price action. And I will not quit. I will not stop until I have reached that goal. And, I see myself there. I see the light. So, guys, I just want to encourage you, stay the course. Don't give up. Don't quit. There is a nice reward for you in the end if you just do not quit. I don't care what it looks like. I don't care what it looks like. I don't care how many blown accounts you have. Don't quit. Hang in there. So till next time, guys, peace.